I was looking on a GitHub for applications built in Python. I also got interested especially in styles and customization to build beautiful interfaces. And I found this repository. It's called Customtkinter template. The author provided the code of 28 styled buttons and 28 styled widgets, all grouped in 4 different themes. The widgets are built using Customtkinter. The only issue is to be able to use these widgets, you have to manually copy the code and put it into your app. This is not ideal. This is why I built a library around them. I'm going to tell you what I did exactly, the issues I discovered, and how the library can drastically be updated. The idea is simple. While creating a button, you specify a theme and a style, and you will get automatically the desired effect applied on your button. This is the example of a button created with theme 1 and style number 3. Of course, you can always customize your button as you wish, as you would do with any other widget. For example, I'm going to change the border color of the initial button to white. So you can see here that after applying this new change, the border of the button changed. So I started by forking the repository. I did some organization and some cleaning on the files. I kept the old code that displays all the widgets at once, and I added my new one. The new class built around the Customtkinter button. The class encodes the definition of 14 styles and 2 themes. The themes and styles are applied by calling 2 types of methods. The ones that applies the common customization features, they change according to the selected theme. The ones that apply specific customization features, they change for each theme and for each style. And here is the result. The library is published under this name, styled CTK widgets. And to install it, you simply call pip install styled CTK widgets. And I implemented only the 2 themes for the button widget. To use it, you have simply to import the SCTK button, or to use the SCTK button class from this module. And in this example, I applied the theme 1 and style 3 on the button. So here is the button built with theme 1 and style 3. I can use, if I want, theme 0 and style 5, and I can get this, another color and another theme and another style. You can also see the original list of buttons and the implemented one in the library via this click commands. So the first one will allow you to see the original buttons. Of course, after installing the library, these are the 4 themes, and for each theme there is this 7 styles. To see the implemented one, you use the show sp command. So I've implemented only these 2 themes. And to see the original entries, not implemented yet, you make the call with the show e command. And here are the original entries. As you may have noticed, this is sort of first draft. For example, the printed hello world shouldn't be here. Nevertheless, there are 2 main issues that are worth mentioning. The first one is related to the naming and the structuration of the code. The second one is related to the way the themes and styles are implemented. Concerning the naming and the structure of the code, for example, the library could have been named in one word. The name of this module, CTK buttons, hard to remember. I even forgot the name. I had to look to the original source code, to the library itself, to use the module to write this example. And also concerning the hierarchy, I could have the buttons and entries widgets in the same folder, and this way the name widgets would have been a better name for this module instead of CTK button. The second issue is related to the way the styles and themes are implemented. They are defined directly in the code. A better strategy would have been to use files, for example, JSON files. It will allow later, for example, to customize the themes or to add new ones. But there is a good thing worth mentioning in this code is the separation between the common features or the common setup and the customized or specific. It avoids code to be repeated. If the file option is implemented well, it will be possible to separate these customizations while allowing at the same time a latitude for customizing and defining styles. As future updates, to have a coherent and professional interface, the widgets should belong to the same team, of course without having any constraints. The rest of the widget should be added to the library. The way to specify globally a theme, and the final one is specifying or defining the theme and style using JSON files. If you have any question, let me know in the comment sections, or the links are available in the description below. Bye.